Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what might just be the best Potadora de Césped Eléctrica on the market, the Black & Decker 3-in-1 corded lawn mower, string trimmer and edger. This versatile tool combines three essential functions into one compact and powerful machine. If you're looking to maintain a pristine lawn without the hassle of multiple tools, stay tuned because this review is for you. Let's kick things off with a look at the features. The Black & Decker 3-in-1 is not just a lawnmower, it's also a string trimmer and an edger. Perfect for small to medium-sized yards, it boasts a 12-inch cutting width and an adjustable cutting height, giving you precise control over your lawn's appearance. Weighing in at just 9.9 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making those tricky edges and corners a breeze to tackle. Powered by a corded electric system, you get continuous, reliable performance without the need for gas or frequent battery changes. The automatic feed spool ensures you're always ready to tackle overgrowth without interruptions. Plus, its compact design and foldable handle make storage a snap, even in tight spaces. Now, let's talk performance. The Black & Decker 3-in-1 is equipped with power-drive transmission technology, which enhances cutting power for tackling tough grass and weeds. Whether you're mowing, trimming around obstacles, or edging along driveways and flower beds, this tool transitions seamlessly between modes, saving you time and effort. The adjustable height positions and ergonomic handle ensure comfort during extended use, reducing strain on your hands and back. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to its durable construction and the included replacement spools. And let's not forget the built-in cord retention system, which prevents accidental disconnections while you work. However, being corded means you'll need an extension cord and may be limited by cord length. It's also best suited for yards up to a certain size due to its compact design. Wrapping up, the Black & Decker 3-in-1 corded lawnmower, string trimmer and edger stands out as a top choice for homeowners looking for a versatile, reliable lawn care tool. While it may not suit everyone, its performance and affordability make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a neat and tidy lawn. That concludes our review of the Black & Decker 3-in-1 corded lawn mower, string trimmer and edger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. And as always, thank you for watching Product Critique.